Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This video is going to be a quick one. As you guys might remember, in a previous video I went on and showed that the E46 had some interior powder damage because one of the windows didn't close well and the interior had started to mold. Well, today's the day I decided to clean that up, and I just wanted to show you guys the results. As you can see, it is pretty clean now. I don't want to do this again, but I probably will do this a couple more times and let the interior air out. The product I use was the Meguiars carpet and upholstery. This isn't a sponsored video. I just wanted to show the results of what I was doing. And look on the interior, it's pretty nice. I didn't use it how it had instructed. I just pretty much sprayed it everywhere, scrubbed it down, and I'm probably going to do that a couple more times. I don't know if it is okay to use it on the leather seats and everything, but I'm probably going to, once it does dry out, I'm going to go over the seats with the leather cleaner. And yeah, I just wanted to do this quick little video to give you guys an update on the E46 interior, and that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If your car has mold or whatever, or a project car has mold and you need to remove it, I definitely recommend using this product. Alright guys, that's it for this one. I'll catch you all in the next one. See ya.